Hey guys, so I'll be giving a piece of information about depression because I have been through depression and I want each and every one of my friends to know how it feels to be in depression and how to know that the person is in depression. Just a piece of information if you can take it. Okay, so first things first, that neither I'm a doctor, neither I'm a specialist, but what I have been through, I'll be sharing that to you, that how to react with a person who is so vulnerable to things happening around him or her. So depression starts first when you start feeling miserable about each and everything that you have, and you start feeling very sad, and you want to be alone. You don't want anyone's help. You want to just stay in a room where it's dark. You start withdrawing from everything that you used to feel pleasure or used to feel good about, like even the family, friends, anything that you were interested in before, anything that used to make you feel happy, movies, everything. You start getting disappointed from everything that you have done. You feel guilty, you feel irritating, you feel overwhelmed, you feel disappointed, you feel कि यार मेरे साथ ही ऐसा क्यों होता है, मुझे लोग क्यों नहीं पसंद करते, मैं क्यों नहीं अच्छी हूँ, मैं ऐसा क्यों हूँ, मेरे साथ हमेशा गलत क्यों होता है, मैं क्यों गलत कदम उठा लेती हूँ, मुझे क्यों नहीं लोग पसंद करते. You feel sad, you feel intolerable, you feel irritated. Your vulnerability goes at its peak. Like तुम्हें लगेगा कि यार मेरे साथ कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा, I'm worthless, I'm a failure, I'm not a good person. I mean, you lack all your confidence. That's how depression starts. And then you start finding someone who appreciates you, who you start finding someone कि जो तुम्हें बोले कि नहीं यार तुम ठीक हो, मैं तुम्हारे साथ हूँ. That's how depression starts. And then you start finding someone who appreciates you, who you start finding someone कि जो तुम्हें बोले कि नहीं यार तुम ठीक हो, मैं तुम्हारे साथ हूँ. The major comeback is when you have that headache problem. You start having a lot of headache. You start sleeping so much that you don't even realize that there are people who love you. And तुम सोते भी किस लिए हो, ये सोच करके कि यार मेरी लाइफ में है क्या करने को, मेरे को वो थॉट्स लाने नहीं है दिमाग में, इसलिए मैं सो जाती हूँ. सोने से सारे प्रॉब्लम्स ठीक हो जाएंगे, मेरे दूर हो जाएंगे. मैं सोऊंगी तो फिर मुझे पता नहीं चलेगा मेरे साथ क्या हो रहा है, एंड एवरीथिंग विल बी फाइन. And the most important part, you start having the suicidal tendency कि शायद मेरे मरने के बाद में सब ठीक हो जाए, शायद मेरे मरने के बाद में लोग मुझे एक्सेप्ट करें, शायद मेरे मरने के बाद में लोग मेरी चीज़ों को सिंपैथी दें. It's the worst part that a person goes through. And those who have not gone through depression, they don't even know how panic attack feels. It's the worst stage of a person who goes through depression. As we know that charity starts from home, if you are putting up posts on depression, start by just giving a call to your friend you know that person is going through a rough phase. Just call them and ask कि भाई सब ठीक है ना, तू चिंता मत कर, मैं तेरे साथ. Just make a little joke about it, and that laugh of that person will solve half of the person's tension and stress. Believe me guys, it's true. All you have to do is at the end is you have to stop judging people and start making that person understand that no matter what bro, life has to go on, and I'm there, your parents are there, your parents will be your support. Your parents don't want you to think and have those suicidal tendencies. Your parents don't want you to see in depression and in headache and in an appetite loss. They love you and they want you to be healed very soon, and I want to be healed, and I want you to be healed very soon. You just have to be a support, and your support starts only with a call and a check on कि भाई सब ठीक है ना. Okay, so at the end I'll tell is कि I was in depression for 6 months, and out of which 3 months I was on bed rest, and I had all those symptoms that I told you, and I was lucky to get through all of this because it's too hard to get through all of this, and it haunts me right back कि ये सब भी मेरे साथ हुआ है. But I am lucky and I am sharing this piece of knowledge because I want everyone to know कि कुछ भी हो जाए, तुम्हारे साथ तुम्हारे माँ बाप हमेशा रहेंगे, तुम्हारे साथ तुम्हारे दोस्त हमेशा रहेंगे जो तुम्हारे सच्चे दोस्त हैं. Just like me, I have my friends, I had my family with me supporting me throughout, and that's why I'm okay right now. And it's not good to make fun of depression, because people who go through it, they know what a pain in the ass it is. So just be a support to one another, and just do not judge people without knowing that the person's state of mind is what. So just help each other. I hope this video helps each one of you, and I hope that you implement it on your friends, and you know the symptoms, so you know who your friends are and what they are going through. So just try implementing it, try supporting them, try being a helping hand to them, motivate them, motivate yourself, love yourself. That's the end of depression. And let's, go through it, just kill it. Let's kill depression, because it's really weird to be in depression. So if you love yourself, no one else matters. None of the other people matter. Love yourself and make people happy.